Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will start with our session with Jones itself. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about what is the continuation pattern. That means one stock coming from low and broke the resistance and went up and broke the resistance again, came back and went up. Okay. If it wants to go up, this level should be hold. That's what we discussed it. Today we will see it. If stock not holds this level, what will happen? Okay, see here in the left side part yesterday's action, right side part is today's action. From this yesterday's close, it came down and broken this level what we discussed yesterday and came back to next demand zone. And after that it went up and again break down this zone and came back to another demand zone here. From this it went up into demand zone, resistance zone, came back to demand zone and it went up. This is the textbook example happened in Nifty. Now let us start with the Nifty chart. If you see here, it was the yesterday's closing. Okay, today it opened gap down and penetrates into the demand zone and it's able to sustain above the demand zone. Then immediately next candle it broke this demand zone and break the low of the day low and it went up. If you see here, now this demand zone became a resistance zone. It tried to manage to go up but it could not. Then immediately it came down and penetrates into the next demand zone. If you remember my last video, I told you that yesterday also I placed an order at 15,525, but it didn't fill yesterday. Today also morning at the time of pre-open itself, I placed an order at 15,525, and my stop loss is 14,495. I placed it here. Okay, after filling my order, it went up to this zone. Now we all know that this demand zone will behave like a resistance zone. Okay, at this point of time I didn't book it. I was fully confident that it may go up. Then again it came back to my level, entry level. Second times also it tried breaking this resistance zone. Okay, then it came back and it deeply penetrates and break my zone. Actually here at this point it broke my zone, but my little hope is but it closed above the zone, in the zone itself. Okay, still by that time still I was hoping that it will go up. Then after that it went up and it came back again. It took a support here. Actually I thought of adding few more lots here, but I don't want to take much risk. I'm okay if it is a few lots also. Then if it went up again, it breaks all these highs. It came down and went up. Here I booked around 15,615 or something else, plus or minus is there, 15,600 something. Now let us see Bank Nifty chart analysis for future. See here, Bank Nifty also opened gap down. It came down, it sustained closing in the middle of the zone. But after that, it closed below the zones. But end of the if you see here, so many bullish candles. Okay. Then after that, if it want to go up, first it has to close above this one. Then above that open, then only it will go up. Today in my group also someone asked me, will it go up? It's based on, if you see here this candle, again it broke the high open of the day, open and high of the day. Then we concluded that it will went up, it will go up. Then it went up and exactly closed around weekly, yes sir. Now let us see crude oil chart also. What we discussed yesterday and what happened today. Yesterday at 8:35, I made a statement that if this level don't hold it, it will come to this zone. If you remember it, or else if you watch yesterday's video, here is the yesterday. Here is the video yesterday's crude oil. What I stated, please listen this. Could not sustain the break the resistance zone, and moreover here it is a high is also there. Here you see it is holding it. Okay, if it comes here, definitely a buy. It's a must buy here. Stop loss below. This zone must hold. If this zone didn't hold it, it will go back to the home. That means origin of the move. It will come back here. Just watch it and please comment. Okay. That's what I explained in the yesterday's video. But what happened yesterday? But it didn't hold this level. As we discussed yesterday, it came back to that previous demand zone here. If you see here, this is the zone. It came back here. After that, what happened today? Today opened the gap up and went into the demand zone, previous demand zone. Now it is working as a resistance. It broke up here and then went upside. Here, it's a went upside. It's deeply penetrated into next resistance zone. It could not sustain. It came back to this demand zone. It could not sustain. Then went up and came down, demand zone. You see here, plenty of action is there. Even today I played in this zone. I booked 24 points or 25 points. Finally, it broke the zone. It broke the zone and high of these previous three highs. Then after that, immediately, what is the next target? It will go to next resistance zone. If you see here, it tried breaking it. Along with the zone, we have a standard pivot R1 is also there. It broke down. Then after that, it broke down. Now it came back to this zone. This earlier resistance zone working as a demand zone now. Now, let us see what could be the possible scenario for tomorrow. Yes, sorry, this. Okay. Now let us see what will happen. We'll try to understand what could be the possible scenario tomorrow. See here. This is the all-time high and there is a resistance zone here, right? If it opens below this zone, we will try to understand, we will try to analyze the price action. If it is forming some bearish candles or bearish candles, I prefer to go for a short. Okay. If it opens here itself, if it come to demand zone, this will act as my first demand zone. We can buy it here. Based on these candle patterns, if you see here, plenty of action is there. So I will try to buy here. If not, again I will buy it here. If it is gap up open above the resistance zone, I will not do anything. Simply, I will wait for a buy. Maybe here or maybe here. Now let us see the Bank Nifty futures. What could be the possible scenarios tomorrow? Okay, for me, if you see here, it broke the zone already. From yesterday onwards, once it breaks the zone yesterday, I was in a buy mode actually, but it couldn't happen. Today it took the turn from here. Today also it took the support from here itself. I think if it opens here at the same area, I will look for a buy at this zone. If it is gap ups, okay, I will wait again for a confirmation at this resistance zone to buy. End of the day, I will be looking for a buying opportunity in Bank Nifty also. Thanks for watching my video, friends. If you like it, please share and subscribe it. Thanks.